Hello dear students. As you see in the page that today we will learn about the chapter microorganism friend and foe. Yes students, microorganisms are also friend for us and harmful for us. So let's start with this chapter. Introduction. We know that the microorganisms are living things, but what are they? They are harmful or useful? What they reproduce? We are going to know about the reality world of the microorganisms. So students, microorganisms are also called microbes. Microorganisms are very small organisms which cannot be seen with the unaided eyes. They can be seen only with a magnifying glass or microscope. Microorganism may be unicellular or even multicellular. Microorganism may exist alone or in colonies. Microorganisms are found in all kind of environment like ice cold climate, hot spring, desert, marshy land, etc. They are also found inside the bodies of other organisms. Now the type of microorganisms. There are four main type of microorganisms. They are bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoans. Viruses are also considered as microorganisms, but they are different from other microorganisms because they reproduce only in the body of host organism like bacteria, plant or animals. So example of algae is Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Fungi, example of fungi is bread mold, Penicillium, Aspergillus. Protozoans, example of protozoans is amoeba, paramecium, etc. So first we will discuss about friendly microorganisms making curd from milk. The bacterium called Lactobacillus reproduce in milk and help to convert milk into curd. Next is making bread. The fungus called yeast reproduce in flour, dough and produce carbon dioxide during respiration, which make the dough soft and help in making bread, cake, biscuit, pastries, etc. Making alcohol. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. The fungus called yeast reproduced in sugar solution and convert it into alcohol. This process is called fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. Making medicines. Some bacteria and fungi are used to make medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics, and some are the examples of antibiotic is streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin, etc. So the microorganism also increase the soil fertility. Some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with the nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. These are the nitrogen fixing blue green algae that you see in the diagram. And microorganisms are also helpful in food preservation. In chemical method, pickles can be preserved by using chemicals like salt, and edible oils. Jam and squishes can be preserved by using sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate. These are the chemicals called preservatives. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfate, these are the chemicals, and these chemicals are called preservative. Microorganisms are also helpful in cleaning the environment. Microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plant and animal and convert them into simple substance which are again used by other plants and animals. So after the friendly microorganism, let's talk about the harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the microorganisms cause disease in human beings, plants, and animals. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms spoil food, clothing, and leather. Now we will discuss about pathogens. Disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Enter our body through air, water, food, contact, or insect. Disease which can spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called communicable disease. Example: cholera, common cold, chickenpox, tuberculosis, etc. Some insects and animals act as a carrier of disease causing microbes. Example: housefly, female Anopheles mosquito, uh, female Aedes mosquito, etc. Now we will discuss about some common plant diseases caused by microorganisms. So first plant disease is citrus canker, and the organism responsible for this disease is bacteria. How it transferred to citrus? Through air. Next is rust of wheat. Cause of microorganism is fungi, and mode of transmission is air, seeds. Next, yellow vein mosaic, भिंडी मीन्स ओकरा, माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है जो इसको कॉज करेगा, वायरस. मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज इंसेक्ट. सम कॉमन ह्यूमन डिजीजेस caused by microorganism are: first, chickenpox, polio, measles, and hepatitis B. All these diseases contain causative microorganism is virus, and mode of transmission is air, water, and contact. Next, tuberculosis, typhoid, and cholera. All these contain causative microorganism is bacteria, and mode of transmission is air and water and food. Next, malaria. Causative microorganism is protozoa, and mode of transmission is mosquito.